So here I am talking about Evernote again, and I want to show you how to open multiple notes so that you can work with them in Evernote, show you how to go full screen in Evernote and work with a note so that you have a distraction free environment or surface to work with. So let's hop over to Evernote and take a look at what we can do there. So in this note, I've pointed out this double-headed arrow right in the menu choice at the top. This double-headed, it says expand mode. If when you're in a note, if you click that button, it puts Evernote in a full screen. So now I'm just looking at the note. I don't have any menus or anything. When you're working in this mode, it's really handy to know how to use keyboard shortcuts. Or in my case, I have many of my options on a Stream Deck in a Stream Deck profile. That is one thing that you can do. So let's do that. So then the other thing you can do is a new open in a new window. And now I can have 2 windows open. This is OneNote, one version. So I've got this template open that's in this Evernote Simplified Planning Notebook, and it's called Title of Video. It's the title of the note. But I have another note open that was the one that I was working on that's in my inbox. So I can have 2 notes open, looking at them or working with them, working between them side by side. I'm gonna make this one smaller, and I'm gonna make this one smaller just so you can see them next to each other on the screen. So I can be moving back and forth between these 2 notes. I can open 3, 4, 5, and have them on the screen working with them at the same time. So you don't have to just have one note open, you can have multiple notes open, and that's very powerful. And I can either have them in expanded mode or not have them in expanded mode. I can have one where I've got it in expanded mode and another one, this one over here, it's in expanded mode. This one here, it's not to the right, it's not in expanded mode. But if I want it there, I can push it there. Now, what you'll notice is it still have the share button. I still have the overflow menu. I've got choices, particularly choices that I can use to execute and move around the note within and move around Evernote within that expanded view as I need to. So don't forget that you have these capabilities available to you and think about your use cases for how you would have 2 notes open. Would it be research that you're doing and you need to refer to it? Is it linking? How would you use having multiple notes open? And I will see you in the next video when I talk about another topic that will help you be more productive and accomplish your goals with little friction as you can to maximize your day. I'll see you in the next video.